Hi, I'm Steph Evans from Evotech, partnered with MSC Software. Here's another one of our MSC Apex quick bites, this time looking at how to explore Adams car results in Apex.
Okay, so we can now look at the Adams car results that we've brought in a more detailed fashion. So here we're looking at one of the wishbone geometries for the suspension system, and each interface point represents the load transfer into that part within the overall assembly. So by plotting the markers for a given time step, we can show those reaction or those action forces acting on the suspension. We can then cycle that through for the full vehicle results. If you remember, going around the track, and then we can look at this in a graphical sense to pull out the peak action forces on the structure. And then once we've got that graph defined, we can highlight a series of points where we want to map those loads for the downstream load application process.
I hope you found this interesting. If you'd like to develop your Apex usage, head over to our site where you'll find many online learning opportunities.